Hi there, I am Divya from grammargurupeedom.com. You are welcome to Grammar Guru Peedom Plus, our channel to help ESL learners improve their writing and speaking skills in English. Let's test if you know the English names of objects that we commonly use in daily life. Stay with me till the end. You'll learn many useful action words and phrases that help you sound more natural in English, along with the names of the objects. Also, there's a bonus grammar tip. Let's start. Try to answer the questions you see on the screen. You'll get 5 seconds for each question. What do you use with soap to exfoliate your skin when you take your bath? You'll use a loofah for this purpose. A loofah is normally a sponge-like item used with soap to clean your body during a bath. You use a loofah as you see in the picture with soap to exfoliate your skin when you take your bath. To exfoliate means to remove dead cells from your skin. To take your bath is the correct way to refer to that action, and it's an American English usage. If you want to express the same action in British English, you can say to have your bath. To bath is not normally used. I'm bathing is grammatically correct, but not commonly used by native speakers. Question number 2. What do you use to mix ingredients quickly and smoothly, especially when baking cake or beating eggs? You'll use a whisk, which is a loop of wire used for mixing, whipping, and beating ingredients. To whisk is the action of mixing quickly with a whisk. You whisk eggs with a whisk to make them fluffy. Question number 3. What do you use instead of a cloth to clean water or marks off a glass or mirror surface? You'll use a squeegee, a tool with rubber blades to wipe water or liquid from flat surfaces like mirrors, windows, or glass doors. The squeegee is the act of cleaning using a squeegee. Don't forget to squeegee the shower glass after you are done. After you are done is an informal way to say after you complete a task or an action. You can say this in different ways. After you are finished, once you have completed it, when you are done. Question number 4. What do you wear when it is chilly and you want something front open? What's the English word for this cozy clothing item? You wear a cardigan, a type of sweater that's open at the front, usually with buttons. Don't say, I want a front open sweater. You have to say, I want a cardigan. You can use the following action words or phrases with cardigan or any type of clothing or accessories. To put on a cardigan. I put on a cardigan because it was chilly. To wear a cardigan. She wears a cardigan to work every day. To take off a cardigan. You can take off your cardigan if you are feeling warm. To take off means to remove the cardigan from your body. Question number 5. What do you use to hold stacks of paper instead of using a stapler or a paper clip? You can use a binder clip. It's a metal clip with fold-back arms to hold multiple sheets of paper together without damaging them. You may often confuse a binder clip with a paper clip or a stapler, but a binder clip is stronger and holds sticker tags. We'll look into some action words you can use with the word binder clip. I used a binder clip to hold the papers. She secured the report with a binder clip. A binder clip can hold up to 100 pages together. You can attach these forms with a binder clip. Question number 6. What do you use to park a bicycle safely? You will use a kickstand. A kickstand is a metal rod attached to a bicycle that swings down to support it while parked. You can park a bicycle on a kickstand. Native speakers often say kickstand rather than just stand, as there are many types of stands. A kickstand is the part of the bicycle that helps it stay upright when not in use. You can say the bicycle is on its stand. If you want to give instructions to someone, you can say, put the kickstand down. This is simple, direct, and very common usage. You can also say, kick the stand down. This is informal and very common in speech. Here is your bonus tip. The names of the objects you learned are all nouns, which are one of the parts of speech, and they fall under the category of common nouns as they refer to things in general. Please like, share, and comment below which word or phrase you found most useful in this video. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon selecting all to receive notifications of future videos on release. Follow us on Facebook, WhatsApp, and Telegram, and visit grammargurupeedom.com for more English learning resources. Thanks for watching. See you.